Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. But I'm off-site today. I went down to my friend Andy's and I helped him put together a tool shed for his backyard. And this is the finished product, all except for a little bit of caulk and some paint, which he's going to take care of himself. But yeah, they just finished hanging the doors and been working on this for a couple of days. Actually, a few weeks ago, we poured the concrete slab, and then a little bit at a time, but also I got the roof on today. I started that first thing this morning while it was still shaded and cool up there, and tried not to slack off, just keep on going, get it done. So the roof's on, got all the trim siding on, got the windows in, got the doors on. And I'll give you a look inside. It's got some shelving in here, some loft shelving. The doors have deadbolts on them, or slide bolts on the inside. There's a loft up there. I marked them maximum weight so that they don't overdo it and put a bunch of weight up there and then think that they could put a human up there too. So it's marked on both sides, 100 pounds and 250. And then the workbench is 150 rated. So that's it. And then some extra wood here. That was because there was enough for a wood floor to go in here, but got a concrete floor, don't need a wood floor. So nice little job. It's all done. I get to go home and have a cold one now and post this video when I get there. So thank you for joining me. This is a real shorty today. I'm just going to close this up and get going. And thank you for joining me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. This is G-Bear signing off.